I bought this Easypress last year November, Black Friday sale. I think originally it is £229 and I got it for £179 in that bracket. So I wasn't gonna buy it. I was like, I'm not gonna buy it as yet because my mom already have a heat press. But when I saw that price, I'm like, I might as well buy it because it's a bargain. $229 to $179 Black Friday sale. So yeah, that's why I got it, and it's the first time I'm using it. So if anything's wrong with it, I can't send it back because I wait so late to open it. But my room was a bit chucked up. I didn't have this desk at the time, so I want it to be not perfect, but I want to have this scenery, this clean space, so I can do my first project. So you'll see that in the next video, so keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am unboxing the Cricut Easypress. So this is the 12 by 10 inch one, the biggest one that they have at the moment. I've got the smaller one right here. I've got this one, which is the Cricut Easypress Mini. I use this one for like labeling. I have a video of that, so I'm going to link that in the description, and I might leave it up somewhere above here as well, so you can take a look at how you can use this to customize your products. You can use it to label your products. So I bought this one, and then I went ahead to buy this Cricut Easypress because I'm still working from my room and it's easier to use and easier to set up rather than using the heavy duty one that my mom have. Yes, I will be using that one, but I think I'm going to get more use out of this, and I can't wait to show you how it works. So I use it to make this, and that's what this video is about, my first ever project. So I'll show you how I use it to do this. Bought this from Hobbycraft, so that's like a craft store in London. You can find it on Amazon, and you can also find it at John Lewis if you're based in the UK, and I think it's also at PC World, people. So yeah, and I bought the mat as well. I bought the mat off Amazon. I bought this mat for about $29.99. It was on sale. First I saw it for $39.99, then I bought it for $29.99. I thought I got it for a bargain. Then after I've bought it, then it's $19.99. So at this point in time, February now, so the last time I checked it was $19.99, and I was so tempted to send it back. So yeah, this is the biggest one that they have as well. So yeah, I'm going to show you how. I'm going to unbox this, and then I'm going to show you how I reach this result. So keep on watching. So yes guys, this is the finished product. This is the glitter vinyl. I think Cricut sent this as well. It's so easy to use. I hope you enjoyed this video, even though it's very short. You will definitely see me using this a lot more because I am creating a brand, so stay tuned for that as well. Yes, so thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know what you think of the Cricut Easypress, if you have it already, if you'd recommend it over the heavy duty e-press. How is it going for you at the moment? I just started using it. I bought it last year in November and I'm just using it now. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.